So guys, here you can see when more videos came about the Python, and in today's Python video, I'm telling about the counting the Mississippi. What is Mississippi? If you don't know, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So video start to end. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also from your future related videos. So I did not take a long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, here you can see where more video enemy came out with the Python, and in today's Python video, I'm telling about the counting the miss is pili. Okay, I know this is a very hard word, but let me speak it. Okay, but now tell you some objective. Learn to use the for loop to count with delay, adding Mississippi after each number. If you don't know what is for loops, I already make the video of that, so I give you the link in the description of the for loop, which is commonly used in games or exercise where steady counting right thumb is important. Description. In this lab, we'll use the for loop to count one Mississippi to Mississippi up to specify a number. The goal is to introduce a basic for loop and simulate a counting rhythm by adding a delay between each count. This exercise will help students understanding looping, importing modules, and working with time delays in Python. Now let me tell you some key concepts. First is using the for loop. Learn the basics of iterating over a range of numbers. Number 2, adding a delays with time.sleep means that use the sleep function to create a 1 second pause between each count, making the counting rhythm consistent. Number 3 is printing the strings means that learn to concatenate the strings and numbers for formatted output. Like this one code example. In this code example, here's the how Mississippi counting a program might look like in Python like that. Here you can see it. In the Python it look like that. This one code, let me show you. Here you can see it. Here you can see it. So now let me go on my Visual Studio Code. When I go on my Visual Studio Code, when I paste this code on my here and save it and run it, sorry, let me copy this code and let me paste this code, save it and run it. So now save it and run it. New window, then let me make one new file, index.py, and I'm making this file on my documents. Create file, yes, paste it, save it and run it. So now it give me counting. I am Mississippi, I am 3, 4 Mississippi. So using the for loop, it will be not pause forever. It will be continue. Okay. So like that, this is one more thing about the for loop. And I write here 5. If I write here 10, it will give me Mississippi 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Then like that, it give me like that. Here you can see like that you can do it. Now explanation. First, we importing the time module means that the time.sleep function is a part of a time module which we import at the beginning like that. Then number 2, we use the for loop. The for loop goes through each number from 1 up to the input seconds. Number 2, the range 1 second plus 1 makes sure it includes the last number since range is exclusive of the upper bound. Number 3 is we adding a delay with time.sleep means that each iteration of the loop waits 1 second before moving to the next count, creating a natural 1 second delay between each Mississippi print. Number 4 is formatted output with FI Mississippi. The formatted string inserts the count number before Mississippi to create a phrases like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and so on. Let me tell you some lab instruction. First, run the code. Try running the code for different numbers of seconds to observe the counting effect. Number 2, modify the delay means that experiment with different time.sleep values, for example 0.5 seconds. To see how the delay impacts the rhythm, number 3 is extend the loop. Modify the loop to count up to 10 Mississippis, then reserve the to count and back down to 1. Additional challenges. First, customize and Ferris. Change the Mississippi to another word and see how the loop structure adapts. Variable delays means that add a random delay between 1 and 2 seconds after each count using the time.sleep random.uniform like that. The lab introduces the essential for loop practice with a simple timing applications make it both educational and fun. Okay, so here you can see in today's video we learn about in the Python and what are counting Mississippi really. I know this video is smaller, but that's why this video is smaller, because I make the video in the parts. I'm not making the video in the one video. And this type of video of the by the topic counting Mississippi really, this video has been and no one has been built in this video, but I built for you. But I hope you can enjoy this class. I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to all the notification bell also in my future later videos. And for the business inquiries, you will email me. My email is mentioned in my channel, or let me tell you, my email is rayyanbig1253@gmail.com. For the business inquiries and paid promotions, you will be go on my that email. Okay, but anyways, I meet you next class and next video. I'm going to get that type of video. So for today, goodbye.